welcome back. It's been months.
Oh, hi. So I'm making shrimp Alfredo tonight, and I forgot to defrost the shrimp. So I text Chris on my constitutional and said, take out the shrimp. But
Which, by the way, the Constitutional is a walk. A lot of people refer to the Constitutional sometimes as a, you know.
gotta get my homemade fettuccine.
Are you talking about this stuff?
Give it back.
Pow.
So first
Up
you
and
get
up.
the box out, and you put it on the counter. Then you get wine.
Checking on the water. Looking like there's some bubbles there.
What am I making again? I'm just gonna throw this stuff in the pan and then I'll cook it. I gotta add the butter, cream cheese, chicken broth, and garlic to a skillet over medium heat. And then once the butter is melted, I'm going to use a spoon to help the cream cheese melt into the sauce. What? So what do we need? We got fettuccine. We need some shrimp. Got that out. We need butter.
Pre-cut.
Pre-cut.
Already ready for today.
So, you know, I had my assistant come through and just like really organize this and have it prepared for our filming today. And by that, I mean, nobody did it. Wasn't even planning. I need broth, cream cheese, and garlic. Okay. And then the next part of the recipe is take a sip.
There you go.
There we got some butter.
Recipe's done.
3/4 cup of heavy cream.
Let's check in on the action here.
1/4 cup chicken broth.
Whoa.
1/4. So now, as you see, we've got some situations going on here. I need to do the cream cheese and the garlic. All right, how many garlics? 2 large cloves of garlic. 2 large cloves of garlic mixed.
How's that water,
4
babe?
half teaspoons. That's fine.
Okay.
1. And whoever complains about too much garlic.
Fools.
It's only calls for 4 ounces of cream cheese.
You have to fold in the cream cheese.
Fold in the cheese! Melt into the sauce. This will take a couple of minutes.
The
Ooh, it's
stock.
boiling. I don't like putting stuff into boiling water. It hurts. Wonder how long I should cook this for.
Do you like your pasta?
Al dente. Dun dun dun. Wonder how long it's supposed to be.
Like 12 minutes?
No, it's 11 to 13. AKA 12 minutes approximately. Whatever. Okay. I'm gonna make some homemade artisanal garlic bread now. I like to call this Archer Farm. And first of all, I went ahead and I preheated the oven to 425. Because that's how I roll. Let's pretend that I really just have some bread then. Now I've taken this bread and split nicely down the middle. I'm gonna
Wow, amazing.
Garlic butter.
How long did it take you to make this?
Right around 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay, so this is like the bread that you have cooking for at 425?
Right. I'm gonna have this at 425, but I'm gonna take this garlic butter situation here. I'm gonna make sure it's evenly spread throughout. When I sliced my bread, I just, you want to have a nice piece of garlic butter in every bite, not just one wad. That's gonna be delightful. I almost want to put some cream cheese on there. Just to see how it feels.
Can you write like a K on there so everybody knows that is yours? There you go. Perfect.
Like everyone is gonna be jealous. That's how I know.
I've always dreamed of a sour cream, or rather cream cheese garlic bread.
What do I like the most?
Wine?
What else?
That pasta's been in there.
Too long now? Well, yeah, I guess it's probably pretty close now. I feel like it's done.
Throw it onto the cabinet.
Does that mean it's done or not? I have to take another drink. Let's heat up our situation. I mean, we've got several burners. I only like to use this one.
Oh, so what you're saying is you could have been using the other one the whole time?
No, I only like this one. You know you're old when you have a favorite burner and no one talks about it. No one does, but everybody who's watching this knows they have a favorite burner too. I got a spoon rest. That means I'm classy.
That's right. It's a Ray Dunn spoon rest too.
Because that's how I roll.
You can purchase those at HomeGoods, homegoods.com.
Or TJ Maxx.
Or TJ Maxx, or wherever Ray Dunn stuff is sold.
Marshalls. Ooh. Yum, I'm excited.
Great job, chef.
Look at I didn't have to mark it. And you know what?
Certainly didn't have to.
That's going to be so good. And you're going to be jealous.
Maybe you're going to start a new trend.
Yeah, for sure.
Cream cheese on garlic bread. Chef, what's next?
So as the cream cheese is sort of melting, I'm just incorporating. I'm going to use some more fancy words. We're going to incorporate this. We're going to fold in the cheese. So now that I've incorporated this cream cheese into the sauce, I'm going to let it gently bubble for about maybe, 3 to 4 minutes, maybe 5, depending upon how it goes. And then I'm going to incorporate this Parmesan cheese that I've shredded myself earlier. Totally did it.
Great job.
When I'm doing this, I'd like to give it the occasional stir. I'm gonna give it an occasional stir. I'll take a sip.
Can you do both at the same time?
Mm-hmm.
It's talent, guys. That's why she has her own cooking channel right here.
Do I have anything on my face?
You have like a great Fu Man. Oh!
Damn it!
You have a great Fu Manchu going there.
Should I?
That would really be a bummer.
Here, honey.
Throw that out. Throw out your face pasta.
Well, I'm bored, so I'm gonna start putting this in. I'm not really sure if you're supposed to yet, but whatever. And a lot of times I feel like I just want to get it over with. So I kind of just want to stir it already. Let's go.
Speed up the process.
Let's speed this up. Shrimp. It smells.
Does it smell like fish?
Yep. I feel like we need to have some pepper for sure.
Yeah.
Gotta have some pepper. Okay. So we can quit filming for a minute while I get everyone else's plates ready and call everyone down or should we film the drama that's gonna ensue?
Look at this.
What's going on? Why? What's happening?
So here's Grady's.
Why don't you sit down and eat, okay?
No shrimp. Here's Jake's. No shrimp.
You want some white stuff?
Here's Max.
Well, he wants some white sauce, he says.
Now he wants white sauce. No shrimp. It's good?
Very good, dude. Very good.
And you made it, girlfriend.
Whoever made this is amazing.